Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking on a topic which I have titled how to make money online. How to make money online as a woman, a mom, a man, a student, or whatsoever class you fall into. So making money online, you don't have to just focus on just that area. You can be doing something else. You can be a worker and you'll still be doing some activities to make money online. You can be a student, you have your day-to-day activities to run, you have assignment and whatsoever, and you can still be making good money from the internet. So the world now is what will I say, it's a global village, and anywhere you are, the comfort of your home, you can make good money from it. Even some people, they don't have anything else they are doing, just all they do is just to focus on this online stuff, this internet way of making money, and yet they are making good money from it. They don't even need another job. They are never exposed, they are never open to the labor market, but just from the comfort of their home, they are making good money. So the first one I'll be talking about is the Amazon KDP. The KDP there stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon is a platform where authors sell their books, where writers write and sell. You get, Amazon is very easy to use. You can write a book, you can be a writer, you can write your book and then go on Amazon to sell. They take their percentage from it, which is a very small percentage, and give the rest to you. So I know some people that make good money from Amazon. All they have to do is write. When they write, they publish on Amazon and people buy those books. So as people are buying your book, you are making money from it. You get it? You are making good money from it. At the end of the month, those money is being accumulated and sent to your online account. So Amazon is a very good way of making money, and it's very easy to use, very easy to understand. It's not so difficult to use. It's very easy to use. Another way of making money online is the YouTube. YouTube, as we all know, is a free video website that makes it easy for us to watch video online. And YouTube have millions of users worldwide, and every day it has millions of views worldwide. So what people do there is that people go there, post their videos. You get, everybody has a YouTube account. Once you have a Gmail, you have a YouTube account. So what people do is they go there, they post content, they post their video, and the more views you are getting, the more your money. So the thing is that, first of all, for you to get money, make money through YouTube, your channel have to be monetized. And for your channel to be monetized, you have set down rules. First of all, you need to have up to 1,000 subscribers, and also you need to have 4,000 watch hour, and also you must have an access account. That's it. So the thing is that anything can be posted on YouTube as long as it does not breach their rules. You are not violating any of their rules. Anything can be posted online. It can be a video of you, your lifestyle, family lifestyle. If you know how to cook, you post it. If you are knowledgeable in any area or any sector, you post it. As long as you have people that find your video interesting, they normally view your video and give you more views, then you can make good money online. There are people that have nothing doing, just YouTube. We have some big YouTubers, some people that are strictly YouTuber. They have nothing doing apart from YouTube, and trust me, they are making good money from YouTube, like big money from YouTube. It does that. It's once you are being monetized, they'll push adverts to your videos. That's why you click on some video, you see advert pumping up in some videos. So those channels are actually monetized. So the more people view your video or your uploads, the more money you are likely to accumulate or get. So that's how it's work. There's no big thing. It's not something that is so difficult. It's just for you to have a content, to be consistent in your content, what you are doing. It's not like you post today and the next time you're going to post is a year time. It doesn't work that way. So you have to be, YouTube has to do with consistency. So you have to be serious and consistent with what you are doing. And trust me, YouTube is a very, very good source of income. Number 3 and 10 on my list is blogging. So blogging has to do with writing of content and putting them on the side. So a blog is actually a website or part of a website that contains regularly updated piece of information. So you have information and you create a website or part of a website and publish it there. So the question is, how do people make money through blogging? Yes, it's all about advertising. So the thing is that if you are blogging, you have to be consistent. You have to keep posting. you have to choose your niche. When I mean niche, you mean your area of concentration, like what your blog is going to be about. It's good for people to know you, like you are in this particular area. So when they get to your blog, they know what you are going to see. If you're all about entertainment, you are going to post things that deal with celebrities, entertainment news, and all that. So the thing is that when you are consistent in what you are doing and your blog is having more views, the thing is, people will come. They want you to do advert for them. They want you to advertise their product, their service. They pay you for it. And also you have Google AdSense. Google also puts adverts to your blog, and they also be paid for it. In your blog also, you can also put affiliate link of top company. So in such a way, you tend to, when they click on those links, it take you directly to the company website. You get, so it tends to generate more sales for the company. And in every sales, you have a commission. In every sales that is being made through your link that you posted in your blog, you have a specific amount of commission, like a specific percentage that will serve as your commissions that will be given to you by that company. Analysis is freelancing. Freelancing is becoming popular by the day. Like a lot of people tend to engage in freelancing because definitely when you are freelancing, you can work from anywhere. You can work from the comfort of your home. You have the flexible time. You decide when to work as long as you meet to the stipulated period of time that the contract stated. You get, so you have flexible time. You can work from home anywhere. It does not disturb you as long as you are able to do the work. So freelancing is more like you go online. We have some freelancing sites like Fiverr. You go online, you collect contracts from people. They don't know you physically, you don't know them physically. You get, there's already a platform for that. Like example, I just gave an example as Fiverr. There's already a platform for them. So you collect work from those people and they give you stipulated time they want their job to be done. Then you do the work and then you deliver it. If you are a designer, you can do freelancing job. If you are a programmer, you can do freelancing job. Like any skill at all. If you are a writer, definitely you can do freelancing job. So why I like freelancing is for I don't need to do this 8 to 5 p.m. job. Whereby I have to go to the office, I have to resume by 8, I close by 5 or 6. You get, I can work from the comfort of my own. And the best thing is that I get to choose my time, like when I want to work. And provided I don't breach the agreement I stated in the contract. So if you are interested in freelancing, you can visit sites like Fiverr. There are a lot of jobs in Fiverr, a lot of jobs, and they pay in dollar. Like they pay good amount of money, they pay dollar. So you see that many of these top programmers, they don't really work under all these companies. All they do is go to Fiverr, and companies are always there looking for workers, looking for people to employ to engage their services, and there are a lot of jobs there. So freelancing is a very good source of income to make money while working from home. So some of you may ask this question, why do I collect my money? How do I get paid? Yes, you have an online account called Payoneer. You have Payoneer, you have PayPal. Those are online accounts which people use in receiving payment. So if you are into freelancing, you get your payment through Payoneer or PayPal. Last item on my list is crypto trading. I know crypto trading is like the order of the day. Everybody's talking about crypto. Yes, crypto trading is quite profitable. It's extremely profitable, but it's risky. That is if you have a good knowledge of managing risk. You get, and also it requires capital. So there are different ways of making money through crypto. You can choose to invest. Investing in crypto is more like a long-term process whereby you invest and you hold and wait for it to increase. It's just like maybe you are trying to purchase crypto. I'm giving an example. It's not like it's realistic. You get, I'm giving away crypto. Maybe you want to buy Bitcoin, for example, and Bitcoin tends to be $10. You purchase it in $10 and you hold that Bitcoin thing, it gets to like $15 or $20 and you start to sell. Then the difference between when you bought it and when you sold it actually is your income. But once you need to know about investing is that you don't just buy, I want to sell tomorrow. You buy and hold. That's why I say it's a long-term process. It's not something you just want to overly buy and overly sell. No, you must have that patience to buy and hold that thing, yield enough profit, and then you sell off. Next one on my list is crypto trading for profit. When you buy cryptocurrency to trade for profit. Unlike investing, trading is a short-term process. Investing, I said, you buy and you hold for a longer period of time. But if you are trading, you buy and you hold for a short period of time. You buy you sell, you make a little income from it, a little percentage, you buy again where it goes down, you sell again, you continue the process. It's more like a continuous process. You are trading, you are buying and selling, while investing, you invest there, you put your money there, and you keep it for a long period of time. So that's just the two difference between trading and investing. Investing is for a longer period of time, while trading is more like a continuous process. You buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. So on my list, I have mining under cryptocurrency trading. Mining is the process of verifying transaction and securing a proof of work. Miners are rewarded with new coins for performing this transaction, but in order for you to mine, you need an hardware. Before now, it was performed with a laptop, but no, it's no longer like that. So for you to be able to mine, you need a mining hardware, and you need to be carrying out those functions. At the end of the day, you will be rewarded with a new coin. Come to the end of this video. Please watch out for my next video, whereby I'll be explaining to you guys on how to go about and creating your YouTube account, and also the Amazon KDP. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.